Just here's a couple things that helped me that I learned like later in my career being an ISM or information security officer. You feel like sometimes you're carrying the world on your shoulders. You feel like you're supposed to be the IT security police or something like that. But what I realize is that you're not. Cybersecurity is everybody's responsibility. It's not yours, not just yours. It's everyone's. And it's only going to work if all of us agree that that we want to secure our system. So once I shed that weight of thinking everything's on my shoulders and said, this is shared. Like if I'm merely a reporter, I'm not a police officer. I'm not an IT police. I'm an IT reporter. I don't, they want to shoot the messenger and be mad at you, but it's like, this message comes from on high. This is not, I'm just telling you what they told me. And here's why. I'm telling you why. I'm giving you context. That's it. They want to shoot the messenger, but like realize it's just their emotions speaking. These people, they're emotional and they're freaking out because you told them, hey, we need to do this new 100 new security controls. And here's why. And they're like, what? What are you talking about? We just spent 8 months doing this thing. You want us to go back and you just listen. And you just say, look, I hear you. Like that is going to be challenging. So, we need to put our heads together and figure out how we're going to do it. I think that being a IT security reporter instead of an IT police that's like Atlas carrying the world on my shoulders, it took a lot of weight off of me and realize, and then also like knowing, I think that there's this dude who I had on my show named Will Reed, and he said it's knowing your triggers, like knowing the things that will set you off, and then if you realize those things, and when it happens, you'll be less prone to flip out on them or to be triggered by it. Good luck to you and congratulations. It's a really good path where you can go any different direction and you don't have to worry about all the craziness. One thing that's off your shoulders is that you will be able to get a job no matter what happens. Let's see. Yes, ISO is a higher level than a GRC analyst. I suppose I've never been in that role as a GRC analyst, so I'm not really sure. I could tell you this, being an information security officer, I normally am given a lot more roles. I'm not only doing GRC and analysis of our compliance framework, whatever, but I'm also doing vulnerability management, which is a pain in the ass. And they have me looking at logs. I'm like, you want me to look at logs, and you want me to do analysis, and you want me to do compliance, and they throw all these ands on you. So I'll say it's more work probably than a GRC analyst, but probably a GRC analyst, all you're doing is looking at compliance or the risk management or the governance of an organization, I guess. Appreciate the conversation. Hang in there, Larry. I'm with you, man. I'm in the same industry, so I'm feeling your pain. Okay, I'm going through some comments. How can I make a monetary contribution like Larry does? I really appreciate it. There's different ways if you want to. Hold on, I'm talking about money. All right, so there's a couple different things you can do. If you happen to watch me on YouTube, there's a way that you can do a contribution below. Go watch some of my old videos and make a contribution. They allow you to do that. You can just, $2, $3, whatever. It's fine. You can become a member on YouTube. I have a membership coming up. I haven't released it yet, but it's coming. If you want to, another way to donate is to buy a book. Like you can buy a book, my books on Amazon. You can buy my books on ConvoCourses.net, where you get something out of it and you help. I really appreciate all you guys' contributions, everything you guys have done. It's helped me to keep going. Okay, I got it. I'll be right back. Look at this. I got, what is this called?
Butter chicken and
Butter chicken. Let me taste this. Oh my God, it's amazing. That's good. Yeah, it's really good. Thank you. And what is this, naan bread? She made naan bread from scratch. Look at this. And butter chicken. Oh my God.